Everybody knows that there is never just the tragedy of life or the humor of life or pure joy of life. Relationships have those extremes. You can absolutely madly love the same person you want to kill.
What's cooking, good looking?
When I was writing it, I never assumed we'd actually do it, so I wrote with a certain kind of freedom.
Come on.
Please don't.
Do it.
Stop! Stop!
I'm blowing you a kiss.
I'm blowing you one back.
We can experiment and play, and it's oddly a safer environment than any set I've been on before. So we let loose. It's the puzzle of figuring out those things that get in the way of really loving someone. A lot of it's the past, a lot of it's your own insecurities, a lot of it's wanting something so much that you focus too much on losing it.
I was so happy that he was willing to try this with me.
Absolutely challenging. One of the most challenging things I've taken on.